Every DM has been there. You see your greedy little party and their grubby little paws searching another body after they killed everyone within a 3-mile radius. That's when the thought occurs to you. What if I make one of these items cursed? What if I make one of these items sentient? Today we are talking about giving your magic items some voice and making them feel like more than just an item. When coming up with sentient magic items, there are a few key things you want to consider. The first is, what purpose does this item serve? Is it a sword that wants to kill everything it comes across? Is it a ring that wants to reunite with the Dark Lord in the land of You want to make sure that whatever the item is, its purpose is clear. This will help you determine its personality later on. The second thing to consider is, what kind of personality does this item have? Is it a grumpy old man that just wants to be left alone? Is it a mischievous child that can't help but get into trouble? Remember, just because it's sentient doesn't mean it has to always be an evil item, and just because it's an evil item doesn't mean it has to have a dark and terrible voice. Imagine the evil item that uses a posh voice to seem credible and logical, only to manipulate the party. The third thing to consider is, what kind of ability does this item have? Does it allow the user to see through walls, fly, control the weather? You want to make sure that whatever abilities your sentient magic item has, they are in line with its purpose and personality. If it's a human soul who is trapped for stealing, it doesn't really make sense that the item can make them fly. So make sure the abilities make sense for the item. And I think the most important thing to consider is the story of how it became sentient in the first place. Who they were before they got trapped, how they acted, what their status or occupation was, and how they died. These are all important things, even if your party never finds out. You want your players to feel like they're wielding a part of history and not just some hunk of metal. Taking all of these things into consideration can truly elevate your item from just another fiend and a sword to something so much more. I hope this video helps you when designing your next sentient item. Let me know in the comments what video you want to see next. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Feed your displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.